All right, pre-alpha 5. Sorry, okay, well, come on, say. Hi, pre-alpha 6 and 7 are now complete. Today I'm with Julien,
Hello.
and we're gonna show you guys what we did. So, if we launch this, the first big change is a change in scenery. First off, a boat.
Yes, yeah, I actually built it myself. Took way too much time for what it is, but yeah, it's there. It's
I
the
mean,
main,
it's gonna be like a critical part of the game. Looks amazing.
yeah, it's isn't it the main part of the starting plot?
Yep, it is
Yeah.
actually the
Okay.
whole starter thing. It looks even better with the new lighting. So lighting is awesome, fog is awesome. Looks a bit eerie. We might tweak this later, but better lighting overall. So the first thing we changed after this is actually our items. So more items. The things that weren't working last time, so like the spears, are now working. Flint spear, bone spear, all of those are now like working models. We have stuff like our first talent sword, so the copper talent sword. Awesome weapon here. Hatchets and battle hammers, all of that. So we have a lot of new weapons.
Yeah.
And we have attack animations, right? So for blades, like this sword here, this is the attack animation. It's like a slash. We have a poke for the spears. So copper spear, poke, poke. And for the battle hammers, we have wrong weapon. Battle hammers. We
Yeah,
have
we need to do the icon soon,
yeah.
but
So like a slower attack like this with a cooldown. So like this is my fastest like attack speed. And we also have actually ranged weapons.
oh yeah, we do.
Yeah, we do.
Damn, we're so
The
cool at
blowgun
Jerbo
is not
games.
actually working yet, but we have the blowgun model here. The one that is working is actually the war sling. So we have a war sling here, a weapon which we invented, which would probably not work in real life, but whatever. Grab these rocks here. These are actually going to be specialized ammunition, not just pebbles. Grab these, and say I want to hit this rock here. I shoot, blang, over there. So I shoot. Right now the animations are a bit clunky. We're gonna have like better aiming and shooting. Right now it's just the shooting animation at once, but the ammunition works. So I'm out of ammo. I just spent it all. Oh, there, more ammo. Let's grab these here. The ammo despawns after a while. I say I have 2 ammo here. Fire. This one's gonna despawn.
Eventually.
There, and then I have only 1. So the pellets are used, right? Like actually used. What else? Adrenaline boost. Alright, so let's actually go for the Skiá. We have a lot of like Skiá and status effects here. So last time we had like the basic Skiá effects. Now we have even more upgrades. So everything up to like the end of middle game. So let's eat the Skiá here. Well, drink it actually. 2 milliliters. And let's go with stuff like bursts of energy and enhanced adrenaline boost. These are mostly like stamina slash agility upgrades, and the stamina boost in particular is going to be interesting, especially since now adrenaline boost is actually coded in. So when you have, like when you are dealt enough damage and are at like low enough health, adrenaline boost hits. So for example, get this huge wham of damage here, cluck adrenaline boost, and you'll now go extremely fast because you have the upgrade. Normally adrenaline boost isn't this fast, it's a bit slower, but this Skiá upgrade allows you to go faster. So we have coded adrenaline boost and Skiá upgrades that go with it. Oh yes, our weapons now actually work as weapons. Different values for damage for each weapon. I'm just going to show you examples here. Our bone dagger, which is pretty much the worst thing ever invented,
Oh
deals
god.
a little bit of damage, about 40 damage-ish. The bone spear deals about like 70 damage, and the copper talon sword deals about 150, I'd say.
That's not bad.
Yes. Another thing you might have seen as I was showing Skiá is the plants. We actually have amazing plants. Different types of plants. So better morals before our mushrooms are just ugly blobs. Now these are actual. This was actually our old mushroom model. This was a mushroom.
Yeah,
We
such
have
an
actual
upgrade.
mushrooms. So Fat Moral. We have like Frost Angel, which deals cold if you eat it. Actually, so cold effect. Now I'm not gonna be able to see, but we have flowers. We have 2 different kinds of fruits. We have vines. We have diamond secretion, which is found in like bioluminescent animals. We have sciatic rice. We have even algae. We have like underwater plants. We have a lot of effects. All right. We have a lot of interesting effects. Now my health is down because of the mushroom I ate. But going with these plants, we actually have a Skiá upgrade, which allows you to get more nutrition from the plants. I'm not gonna get into too much detail for that because I'm gonna have like a big Skiá video at some point. But I think it is Wild Instincts, I believe, which allows you to get more nutrition from mushrooms and no bad effects. So if I eat this, I actually have the bad effects. That probably wasn't the right upgrade. Anyways, there is an upgrade that allows you to eat mushrooms without... There. I just died.
Oh no. Yeah, but now show us the swimming part, because that's what I did.
Oh, yeah, swimming. Alright, oh yes. So, water.
That's what I worked on.
Yes, and I worked on it. It is horrible to do swimming. But what is water without jumping inside? Now we can swim, actually. And you can see top left, the oxygen bar actually going down. So swimming, 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 full maneuverability. Oxygen bar is going down. Right now, we don't have surface swimming. We're going to implement surface swimming later, like swimming on the surface. Right now, it's just underwater. But now I'm drowning, actually, so my health is going down. So let's just resurface back here. Back up. Oxygen is going to go back up eventually. And after the oxygen is fully up, my health will go up as well. This is pretty much the gist of the pre-alphas 6 and 7. The rest is like behind the scenes stuff. We fixed a lot of bugs. We worked on better health regeneration that is like customizable with like upgrades. We worked on a bit of optimization as well. So a lot of small behind the scenes stuff. But mainly swimming, more items, plants, and the whole like ranged weapon and melee weapon damage values. Anything you want to add here?
Well, I would say that swimming was really a pain in the ass to implement.
Oh god, it was.
But now that like 90% of the animations are done, we're gonna have more concrete things coming up.
Yeah, we have like all of the animations are actually pretty much done.
Yeah. So we're gonna have more, like, I think next pre-alpha is building.
Yep.
And like, yeah, so that's gonna be real fun to do.
Actually, I'm gonna go to the pre-alphas here. The next one is pre-alpha 8 is gonna be building. So everything from like crafting mats, like as the crafting table, to like big HQ, like headquarters you can build yourself. And pre-alpha 9 is gonna be about wildlife. So
okay, that's great.
Animal models, I think like 3 or 4, 4 animals for this island. We're gonna have better AI, like animal behavior, and our first audio, so animal sounds. I have no idea how we're gonna find like, cows and like magical.
We're gonna ask you to do some
we're
cow
gonna ask
sounds.
like a Jerbo Games employees, hey, can you perhaps make the noise a marmoset makes? Yeah, so building and animals. But already, just like fun little perspective, this, like messing around in this world is actually pretty fun. Like upgrades and like dying because of mushrooms and stuff. This is actually kind of starting to look like a game. And pre-alpha 8 and 9 are going to consolidate that. And pre-alpha 10 is actually going to be our alpha release. So we're going to have a tangible start of the game. So the early game of Skiá Haven Crows of Dawn.
Yeah, and we plan by doing it all before summer.
Yes.
So stay tuned to see if we're going to succeed. Because that's really...
If we're like radio silence, then yeah.
Yeah, we maybe have just all died, but yeah. So yeah, before summer we were planning on releasing our alpha demo, so we're gonna have actually an executable game for you to try. And yeah, it's gonna be fun.
Oh, very. So, pre-alpha 6 and 7. Good work, Jerbo team. Pre-alphas 8 and 9 are gonna be the video in about like a month and a half.
Well, 8 is supposed to be May 15th.
And the other one is June 1st, so the whole thing will be June 1st, I'd say.
Yeah, okay. So in about a month, we'll.
Right now
all
we're
get-
like a week in advance, so we might actually do it earlier. Anyways,
Yeah.
good work. Keep working. Keep watching, and looking forward to actually playing this game. Hey, I'm actually back. I found a bug. My oxygen is not going up. Why?
Oh no!
Hey, so I actually fixed it. The problem here was that I was only setting the oxygen regeneration for when you start drowning. So when you get out of the water and your oxygen is like halfway full, you would not regenerate. So new event here, and we just call it, and it works now. So, yeah, solving problems at Jerbo Games.